Hello, what's up, everybody? I'm sorry. I'm just. Okay, so we are going to be learning about Discord on mobile. I'm like so mad. I'm a little mad right now because I tried to record this video on my phone and the all the audio just doesn't didn't like the audio wasn't good. Like it like there was like no audio on the video. Like it just sucks. So now I have to go through everything. Okay. So if you guys want to, you can, like if you want a full experience on Discord, like on desktop, then you go to my YouTube channel, find that video that I'm going to post soon. It's probably gonna be after this video or before this video. But if not, then later. So invite people. You can invite people. There's like right here. Go to channel, change nickname, all that stuff. You can see your emojis. Upload your emojis. See if you're online and your members. Sorry, I just want to speed this up. Okay. Okay, so friends, that's all your friends list. Your pending, your friend suggestion, Jacob Sweezy, which is okay. Search for your channel, your last channel, your chats, all that stuff. People too, and your mentions is like everywhere you've been mentioned on like the servers that you're on. So here's the stage discovery. I don't know what it is, but I'll find out later. I'll have to find out later. Um, and okay, so status: online idle, do not disturb, invisible. Hmm. Look at that. You can set a custom status actually too, if you're like in school, right? Like if you're in school for like amount of time, specific amount of time, then you can just put that, or you could just put do not disturb or something on that. But my account has like okay, I forgot about that stuff. Okay, so user profile, same. What? Okay, privacy, all that. Scan QR code. You can use the QR code. My face is currently like right here. It's like not working. But yeah, here's OBS if you haven't seen it. And here's my Shotcut. That's what the program's called. But yeah, that's how I edit my videos. If you want a tutorial on that, because I did a tutorial on that, but it didn't go as well as I wanted it to. But yeah, okay. So now our appearance is light dark, sync across clients, all that stuff. I think I covered in. Yeah, I covered it in. Okay, language still activity status. This okay. Okay, so switch between check channels. You text. How you switch between channels or servers, whatever you want to call them. Just press the icons. Oh my gosh, press icons. Go ahead. You can press on that icon again if you want to see like what it is, and then there's like all the text channels and stuff. Jeez, that's not having the best day. Not right now, but yeah, you can pretty much react using your emojis and stuff, and the you can only use the emojis that are in the server unless you have Discord Nitro, and you can use all of these emojis. And then you can find gifs, you can find stickers, 306 stickers from with Nitro. So you can only do stickers for Nitro, I think. Or if you have like another thing, there's pictures. That's a video. That's the video that right here 1019. That video had no audio, so I had to redo it. Well, I'm doing it right now. So yeah, so how to direct message people, it's pretty much easy. You can swipe it, or you can just click on the person twice, or just click on the person once you have it on there. How to add server, just press that. There's your templates and stuff, or templates, whatever you, if it, yeah. Okay, so how to add friends. Let's go. So this is debug. What's this? Oh, log out. No, it's not. Okay, so how you want to change your that's a my account thing, which I don't want to. I'm not gonna review it right now, so I think I did cover it on the other video. So yeah, I just got done finishing the desktop video, and it's currently done from exporting from Shotcut. So um yeah, I'll be posting it soon. Okay. Where were we? Um so for the members of like a group like Accountability Boys, you can just text channels, all that stuff. You can create a voice call or a video call. The video calls are just you using your mics and your like your camera or your current camera or something. And okay, so members, here's the add friends to DM, which is DM is like the Discord message. That's what DM means if you don't know. The crown in anything means that they're the owner of either the server or the group chat that someone made. Um, so yeah, if you guys like this, then press a like. Um, and subscribe for more tutorials, more Fortnite, more Rec Room content. And I did forget to mention in the last video um, that I will be away for about 4 days. Um, I'm leaving on Thursday the 19th, and today is the today, let me see. Oh yeah, today's Sunday. Sunday the 15th. So I have like a couple days before the 19th. I'll probably do like a rec room stream or a Fortnite stream. I'm thinking of going back to the I Am Shop videos or streams, but yeah, I'll find out. If you guys have any questions about Discord, put it in the comments below. And if you have anything to say about Discord, then put it in the comments below. And if you see any of the bots, like the like not if you send any like messages that supposed to be sent by bots, like the weird links, do not press on them because they're not good. They're like really bad. They're they happen to be on all like some of my videos, but yeah. And also, if you want to, you can visit the Lux Digital Church, which it's a church for gamers. That's like I'm in that because I'm a gamer myself. But if you guys are interested, I will so here's what it is. Hanging with Anthony is my name for this channel, like the name for my channel that I'm currently videoing on right now, or vlogging, whatever. Um so yeah, if you want to invite, you just go discord.gg, like set link to never expire. That's the way that I'm going to do it. And I'm just gonna share. I'm gonna press share link, and that's like if you want to, you can type this link in for yourself, and then you'll get the server link. Um, and yeah, I will see you guys later. Bye. Bye. Hopefully this works.